have to, I'm crazy. So, trying to keep my mind and what I've been doing. So, I picked this lovely color palette from the second level color keys, and then I went to pick out some of the colors, but I can't find the and I can't really find the bottle. So I stopped and after I found it to Amethyst, which I thought was a good and some check glass and free. And so then I thought, okay, well, I'll just have a pair of vintage glass and give, but I didn't feel more vintage than lavender, and it wasn't several times actually, and it wasn't in fact. And I went to my craft cabinet and started pulling random trays of these, and I came across these green bags and these Preciosa, these are green glass, crystal, and Preciosa glass, crystal orange green. And I thought, oh, those are fun colors together, but the green glass has a very flat top, so crystal didn't work well with it, so I tried these, like sea glass type LEDs, and they sort of work, but then I was like, maybe something else, and then I went, oh, BCAP. So I got some BCAP, and that is what I put on the top. And I made these very simple pair of earrings, and I made them without overthinking it. Sometimes for me, that's the best thing to do. So I'm going to put the camera around and I'll show you the back. Okay, so my back. This is what they look like. So they're very sparkly, very simple, but quite fun. Yeah, I really think it's going to be maybe the finish is probably not quite done. If I put them down, I don't know. See what happens.